Alright, lunchtime. I had a request to be able to see the collars. Good luck with that, gentle viewers. There's Jackson. That's Jazzy. Let's see what I can do for you. Okay, there's Oliver. That's Cameo atop of, I don't know, Queenie, Rocket, Pippin, Jackson, Mac. So that's got to be Duke, who's buried. Alright, anyway.
I suppose you can spread those out a little further, those dishes. I don't know.
No, it's more fun to watch them eat like this. Yesterday, they were all circled around the bigger plate, the one in the middle.
And now they're going for all of them.
Yeah, kinda. Someone's not eating. Someone's at my feet.
Someone back here. Well, they ate some of the dry.
Little wiggly butts. Hey, Oliver, what's happening, bud?
You might have been the one that ate the dry.
That's awesome. I'm hoping they will play a little bit after they eat for all you gentle viewers. We'll see. Since there's a video camera on them, it's quite possible they won't cooperate. You can see the collars much better, so that's good. You can see the collars much better, so that is good. I tried to kind of move them out under the fur. You gonna bring Brinks out so she doesn't make a mess in the house?
She didn't have dinner with her.
Okay, that doesn't mean anything. So just so you guys know, Mommy Dog gets very upset with us when we are out here with these guys. She will do things to the carpet in the house because we are out here with said puppies. Not very nice of her. She's kind of rotten. God, they're cute. Look at them. Ah, there she is. Can you hear her whining? If you can't, you will soon. Yeah, that's the same whine I get at 5:30 in the morning, sweetheart.
Oh, is that the one you get?
Yeah.
She barks at me in the morning.
No, she just whines because she knows I'm gonna tell her hush up. But she doesn't. She doesn't care that people want to sleep.
I want to have skinny more, girl. Oh, she's still holding quite a bit now. Believe it or not. Because they're sure feeling full.
So hopefully this video is not boring to you all. Because we're at 3.5 minutes here and I would certainly be bored by now, but you know. Little piglies. That plate was full. I noticed little Miss Cameo there, light pink. And Queenie. Queenie's right there. All three of them, yeah. They are not, these three, not lacking. They're doing just great. All of them are, but seriously, these three, they're the first to the buffet. Of course, Jackson knows how to figure it out too. It's awesome. They have cut teeth, so now we're putting harder kibble in for them. It's kind of cute to hear their little toothies crunching away on a kibble. And there's the menace. Hello, darling. Brinkers, hi, baby girl. Hi. Say hi to our gentle viewers. Well, I'm hoping they're going to play.
About 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock.
Brinkley, really?
Drinkers.
Now, I must warn you all. Ah, yes, that's what I was going to warn you. They have eaten, so we're going to have some potties in our video. And I'm holding the video, so it's a little hard to jump in and clean that thing up, so don't judge me.
Leave it far away.
Cleanup crew's coming. Cleanup crew, there she is. Say hello, cleanup crew.
Clean up, bro.
It was just, Mom, it was just a one, not a, we're not,
Wasn't it poopy?
oh.
No, I'm not worried about that one. Hi, kids.
So they're clearly scared of humans. As you can see, she goes over there and they want her. Frightened to death. Hi, Duke. Duke and Queenie. What, buddy?
Not yet.
This one has my heart. She's killing me. Yeah, little Miss Queenie. Oh, here's Oliver. Hi, buddy. That's Jazzy. Wow, Rocket's over there. Oh, he's in the third dish now. He's just making the rounds.
Let's make sure he didn't miss any of the good stuff.
Well, he could clean up that paper for us. That'd be awesome.
Oh, hello, Oliver.
What are you doing, Oliver? What are you doing, buddy? All right, sorry. Sorry for the leg shot, folks. I was trying to get him coming under my legs.
Snack.
I suppose I could have waited to start the video.
Take 2 videos.
No, I'm just going to keep this one going. Jackson thinks he's done.
Hey, Matt.
He's getting ready to lay one down there.
Matt, you get in bed.
No, he is.
She is finally being on.
Uh-huh. Wow, did you almost fall over air there?
No,
That was awesome.
I felt the lump.
Wish I'd gotten that on video. Sorry, guys, you just missed it.
I feel so much better. Oh,
I got that on video. That was Jazzy. You might want to give her some love after kicking her in the face.
yes, yeah. Fine. Fine.
Hey, Jackson.
You're okay.
All right, guys, come on. Let's start playing. Let's give him something to watch, shall we?
Yeah, run around like
There's
little
my girl.
porkers that you are.
This is my girl.
Look at her.
Of course, I want everyone to keep in touch after they take one of these pups, but whoever gets her, come on now. Ugh, I need pictures of her yearly, daily, weekly. Duke's chowing down on like one piece.
Matt just figured the water out.
Yeah, they're and they're drinking water now, folks. That just happened yesterday. Oh, Rocket, why couldn't you do that in camera view? Hi, cutie. Got some bugs there. Itch, 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 itch. I should probably stand up. Try to pan out.
Whining.
Seriously? Oh, no, it's Rocket. Big surprise.
Who's behind you? Who's over by you?
I don't know. Rocket's behind you, though. His usual complaining. Mom.
I'm I can see.
Oh, okay.
Let him finish. Denise, see what we get to do?
Yeah, any of you folks who feel like, oh, I would trade any of this to be with puppies, come on up. I have no trouble putting you to work. Mom, do you have trouble putting them to work?
Go away. Hey. Hey. Mac, you're such a sweetie.
Oh.
Sorry, Mac.
Now, one of the fun things I'm not going to share with you, and it's not very fun, is when one decides it's time to empty out,
Oh, yeah.
the others will run up and check it out. Oh, what are you doing? What's going on there? And
Damn.
prance all about in it. It's fabulous.
Sorry, I gotta leave from there.
They share their poop around here.
There's too much that time.
Hey, Duke.
Huh?
Nothing. Oh, God. So cute. That's Cameo. Yeah, I know, Mommy. Okay, I think we're ready for you. I think. Okay, so we're going to bring the juice bar in now. Time for dessert. Come on, Brinks. Hurry, hurry. Here comes the juice bar. Brinkley, no, go lay down. You know the routine. Come on. Come on, get down there for him. Look at this, good girl. Look at this. Look at this. All right. Well, guys, you know where she is. Go get her. What a good mommy she is. Her babies have teeth in her to the point of hurting her now when they feed, but look at her. Jackson, she's right over there, buddy. Go get her. All right, now that everybody's settled at the juice bar, I am going to bid adieu to our gentle viewers because it's time for us to clean up. Bye.